Hi everyone, my name is Mark and I'm a certified wine professional and sommelier. Together with WTSO, my job is to take the guesswork out of finding great wines. We search the world for amazing stories, flavors, and deals just so we can share them with you. We've covered a lot of ground and drank a lot of wine. I'm excited to announce the WTSO Subscription Tasting Series. This signature series is a convenient, all-inclusive monthly subscription service curated specifically for WTSO's audience of passionate wine lovers. As a subscriber, you'll automatically receive 2 to 3 premium wines every month with free shipping and no additional charges. Each set will be based on a predetermined theme, but to keep it fun, you won't know which labels you're receiving until you actually open the box. Don't worry, as always, we'll make sure you only get the best of the best. Then, after you've received your wines, we'll conduct a virtual wine tasting. Every month, you can join me and other wine lovers from across the country in real time to enjoy your selections, interact with the group, and ask me, your personal wine expert, anything you want. WTSO subscription membership comes with other great benefits too, including unlimited access to any additional virtual events, free climate-controlled wine storage, and 20% off your own virtual tastings. As always, WTSO guarantees your satisfaction with the wines and the service. Our first release is in August, so sign up now for more details. Spaces are limited, and the lucky ones who subscribe during our first month will receive a specially crafted gift box with limited edition gifts inside. I can't wait to see where our new wine adventures take us. I'll catch you there. Cheers.